Yes, this is Rick. We're traveling with Rick. I am camping at the Flying Eagle Preserve outside of Inverness, Florida. Inverness. This is land that is owned by the Southwest Florida Water Management District. They have equestrian camping and they have primitive camping, no hookups whatsoever. This is out in the country. Sometimes you get a signal, a Wi-Fi signal, sometimes you don't. But that's to be expected. We're driving to the campsite now. Yesterday there was two tents set up and they broke camp and left. I think those are for turkey hunting. You don't need four-wheel drive here. I don't have it, but it would help. The roads are very bumpy, so this is not an RV resort. You don't have campers 5 feet from each other. And this is not Disney. This is what they call the real Florida. This is eastern Citrus County on about a 10,000 acre preserve tract. Their sloughs are what people call swamps all over the place. I'll be going out in a canoe soon on the slough. And today's a cloudy day. It's Thursday, February 7th, I believe. And also, I missed the turnoff. No signs. That's all right. I kind of know where this is. This is the campsite right here. As you can see, nobody here. There are two tents set up in the back there, but they're not here anymore. There I am. I have a 2017 Coleman RD, which means rear dinette. And this is my setup. For power, since there's nobody here, so I have a Honda generator, very quiet, as if it matters since nobody's here, but that runs the 8,000 BTU air conditioner, no problem. So, walk around the campsite here. Got a bike. I'm about 50 yards from the river out in the swamp to the swampland. So there's the generator. Very nice camper. I have some minor problems with it, but not a big deal. I have a 2000 Ford F-150 7700 series, and I'll be going canoeing very shortly. Okay, signing off. See ya.